You want to take care of your mental health. So how do you get started? In this video, I am going to give you a step-by-step guide to get started with your mental health care journey. First of all, build up your mindset. Understand, you are going to do self-care. You are taking the responsibility to take care of yourself, to take care of your mind. So at first, we are going to need a responsible mind. The second step is also related to your mindset. Do not expect to get results right away. Good things take time, you know that. Now you are just getting started. Most people are not deciding to get started today, but you did. It shows that you are eager to make progress in the process, and you have started making progress already. You will get better with time. So give yourself time and immensely enjoy the process of taking care of the health of your mind. Step number 3. Here we get started with the actual process. You need to become a very good observer. And what are you going to observe? Just yourself. Take a close look at your feelings. Start observing your responses and your reactions to given situations. Know yourself and get better at knowing yourself gradually. Now, as you continue to observe, you will start discovering your nature. Discover what makes you happy, relaxed, calm, hopeful, and what makes you disturbed, irritated, or pessimistic. I'm telling you again, what kind of thoughts, what kind of acts make you feel good or make you feel bad? For example, if you try to win an argument, is that good for your mental peace in the long run? Or you feel light in mind by totally avoiding unnecessary arguments? Just see how your mind is responding. You will start finding patterns in your behavior and in your feelings. I am suggesting you to give yourself some time in this phase. Give yourself a few days or a few weeks maybe to observe and discover your own behavior, how that affects your own mood. Then you will be able to identify certain patterns in your behavior. Now we get to the next step. Take a piece of paper and note down a list of the things that makes you feel good and a list of the things that disturb your mental peace. For example, you may feel good when you count the blessings you have. You may feel good when you focus on the positive side of an incident. You may feel good when you can help others. On the other hand, you may feel bad when you compare yourself with others. You may feel bad when you expect people to be perfect. You may feel bad when you keep ruminating a bad experience that you had in the past. Try to think about those and understand those, and then try to make a list of those things. Okay, now let's move on to the next step. See, now you already know what you have to do and what you need to start doing more. And you also know what are the things that you should stop doing or you need to practice them less. Decide for yourself. You are in charge here. Suppose you are feeling lonely. You have observed that you feel bad when you think about your negative past experiences. You feel bad when you remember how people treated you, how they wronged you and they left you alone. You have also observed that you feel better and energized when you think that you are bigger than your sadness. You feel better when you think that you are going to forgive those people who wronged you out of your mercy and out of your greatness. You feel empowered when you think that you have come a long way. You have survived this immense pain of sadness. You are far more stronger now than you used to be. You are growing. You are glowing brighter than ever before. So now you know that how you should think. Now you know how to think better, how to think and how to judge things in a way that can benefit you. That's it. That's all you have to do. Observe your feelings, then take control and respond in a healthy way. Drive your mind in the right direction. Do not let your mind or your thoughts to roam about freely. Take control and very consciously take care of it. When you start doing it, you may need to put a bit of extra effort. But gradually you will find that it's becoming easier to do. It's becoming your habit and you are only getting better every day. I hope the whole thing is very clear to you by now. How you can start to take care of your mental health by yourself. Observe all your feelings, all your responses, then choose the healthy way to looking at things, the healthy way of thinking and responding in every situation. Switch to a better thinking habit. Leave the bad habits you find in yourself. Choose to practice the good habits more and more. That's how we take care of ourselves. That's how we become healthier mentally. Habits like sitting silent, meditating, habits like writing, journaling, or painting if you love to, habits like smiling at strangers, smiling at your family members, forgiving who hurt you, forgiving those who have made mistakes, habits of being grateful for all the blessings that came your way. We need to increase these habits. We need to practice them more. And do not forget, you need to observe yourself. You need to see how you are doing. You need to keep yourself in check always. Understand your mind, understand your life. Then you incorporate what's good for you, what's good for your mind in your daily routine. This mental health care process is so satisfying and so enjoyable. Here it's only you looking after you. I hope this video comes to some use. I hope you get more responsible for the well-being of yourself. I hope you have a happy and healthy mind, and I thank you so much for watching.